Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the perfect throw in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and as we know guys, that we need to catch fish while using perfect throw, and it needs to be a thousands perfect throw. And I'm going to share tips to you how we can complete this mission. So if we want to get the perfect throw, something that will help us is the enchant perfection. Wait, I'm going to select enchant. Okay, as you can see, now we need to have the transcended stone to get this enchant perfection. And if we want to get the perfection, we need to sacrifice our secret fish. Okay, and as you can see, it can guarantee perfect throws while auto fishing. But yeah, it's difficult to get it, guys. Actually, we need to complete a quest to get the Transcended Stone. Okay, and if you want to get the perfect throw, but without the enchant perfection, you can do it manually. Make sure that the auto fishing is off. You just need to throw your rod manually like this. But yeah, it will be so long and so hard, guys, because we need to manually fish. Okay, we can tap and you can click when it has to lock. Oh my god, it's so difficult. Oh, it's not that easy. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get the perfect throw in Fish It game on the blogs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.